Good morning, friends. My name is Shekhar. Welcome back to my channel. SEKHAR'S English. Keep learning, keep practicing. A secret of success. Friends, today's word is access. This word is used very often nowadays in our daily life. Friends, this word is used as a noun as well as a verb. As a noun, it has two meanings. As a verb, it has two meanings. Let us see what its meanings are as a noun. The first one is a way of entering or reaching a place. Another meaning as a noun is the opportunity or right to use something or to see somebody or something. Let's go for the first one. A way of entering or reaching a place. For example, the only access to the airport is across the fields. The only access to the airport is across the fields. That means the only access to the airport, the only way to the airport, the only way of entering the airport, right? Let us see the next one. The opportunity or right to use something or to see somebody or something. So before that, I want to say one more example for this. The police gained access to the building through this broken wall. The police gained access to the building through this broken wall. That means the police gained way of entering the building. The police gained entry to the building. Friends, here you have to observe one thing. The police gained access to the building. The only access to the airport. Here you see to the airport, to the building. So after access as a noun, you have to use to. Okay. Let's come again to the second meaning. The opportunity or right to use something or to see somebody or something. For example, the students must have access to good resources. The students must have access to good resources. That means the students must have opportunity, or the students must have right to use all resources or all good resources. Let's see the next one as a verb. It has two meanings. The first one is to be able to reach, enter or use something. For example, the loft can be accessed by a ladder. What is loft? Loft is some space or some room under the roof of a house which is used for accommodation or storage. Generally in our area we use it for storage, right? Okay, once again let me tell the example. The loft can be accessed by a ladder. That means the loft, we can reach the loft, we are able to reach the loft with the help of a ladder, right? Let us see the next one. To open a computer file or a website. For example, the files can be accessed by many users at the same time. That means the files can be opened, the files can be used by many users at the same time. Let us see the next one. To open a website. We need a password to access the website. We need a password to access the website. That means we need a password to open the website, to use the website. Friends, if you use it as a noun, you have to use it a preposition to after the noun. Don't forget it. Friends, I think you can use it hereafter, this word access, in your daily life. Thank you so much, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and please share it and like it. Namaste.